Welcome to the Richmond solar light installation video. The Richmond fixture includes decorative top, solar panel, motion sensor, LED lights, on-off button, mounting base screws, standard mounting screws. To begin installation, install the decorative top onto the Richmond fixture. Next, install the mounting base to the top of fixture using the provided base screws. Press the on-off button in to activate the solar light. Mount the fixture on top of the pole and make sure that the motion sensor is facing towards the road. Using the standard mounting screws, secure fixture on top of a 2 to 3 inch round pole. For square pole installation, please use the square mounting base for a 2 to 3 inch square pole. Adjust the LED light as needed. Lights will turn on automatically at night. To install the LED light head, please remove the light cover to connect the LED light head. Take off the light cover, connect the light head cable. The Richmond motion sensor range can detect motion as far as 52 feet, offering a wide lighting coverage for any bus stop lighting project. To learn more, visit our website at soltechlighting.com.